So here we are looking how to use TrueMail for verification. Now suppose our use cases or the automation says if a row is created in spreadsheets, verify using TrueMail and then accordingly create a subscriber in Automizy. So we select the first tab, that's Google Sheets. Let's go for TrueMail. You could also take Automizy, it's your wish. I want to add more apps, I'll click here. It says I can do in the next step. Now, since I can't find my use case, I'll just say make my own. Okay, I'll say spreadsheet row is added and do this in TrueMail, verify email and go. Since we want to add more conditions and apps, we'll say yes. Let's connect our accounts. We need to select the spreadsheet we want. And now it's going to fetch our worksheets in this spreadsheet. Okay. So this is the latest record it's fetched from my worksheet. Now I'll say it has to verify the email, so I'll map it with the email field. Now and I need to check that if it is true, only then it will add to my Automizy. So I'll add a condition. So we'll say check condition after this. So we want, okay, we are looking at the result from email of TrueMail. So we'll say when the result is valid, okay, I've hard coded it, then you will go to Automizy and create contact. Let's add connection. Let me map the fields. Email will be mapped to the email. Okay. Now the first name. As you can see, the name is full name and not first or last. So we need to split this field in two parts. So we are trying to modify this field. So we'll use modify data. And now we'll use a modifier. This modifier is like the formatter from Zapier. Now, since the let's say values of the field have a space in between, so that space becomes a character. Now, the first name will be derived from the first half before the space bar. So we will say extract till a particular character. For the text, I will map the field that says name. The character, I will click on space bar, set for every time. And I'll say do not include my character. Apply, validate. Same goes for my last name. Now this is the second half of my field. So we'll use a different modifier here, modify data, use modifier. This time it will be extract after a particular character. The remaining procedure is same. So the name, space bar, set every time, don't include and apply. Validate. Okay. Last is the list ID. To which email campaign do you want to select it in Automizy? Suppose I say new list. I'll just now say test and go live. Okay, as you can see, it fetched the email. That's good. Test. Okay, the result it says is invalid. It means this email address actually does not exist. Now let's see if the valid record was valid. What would it do? So I'll go back to my automations. I'll deactivate my. Click again. Let me change this, okay, to an actual one. Okay. Let's keep it same, just This is for the sake of testing. Let's test and go live. Everything else remains same. Okay. We are verifying through TrueMail. It says valid. Okay, it's matching our valid. Indication activated.